Hi, welcome back everyone. For this part, I'm going to talk about a small or a very tiny things about dates and months that actually you learn since you were young or since you were in like primary school, but many of you still make mistake about these two things. So, I'm going to review the types of number, which are cardinal number and ordinal number. Okay, first of all, on page 12 to 13 in your book. Okay, in your book. Where is your book? Page 12. Page 12. Okay, here are some expressions used in taking a table reservation or asking about the information of the restaurant. For example, time for closing, time for opening, or what kind of food are served in the restaurant, for example. And there are two activities or exercises for you to practice, which are very simple, very easy one. So let's work together, okay? Number one, the first part that we are going to work on it is about here, right here, my pen. Okay, the question, all four questions are very easy, but one thing that you often make mistake is about making subject subject verb agreement with subject singular subject with ses, plural subject verb without s. Okay, and we are going to use pronoun we. We are going to use pronoun we to refer to the restaurant. As you can see from the examples expressions above. Okay, let's work on number one. When do you close? When do you close? Actually, it is not enough context clue for here, but we are now talking about restaurant. We are now talking about F&B service. So, open, close here refers to open, restaurant open, restaurant close. Okay, so you know how to answer it, right? Okay, so give me the answer. When do you close? When do you close? We need time as the answer, isn't it? We close at up to you. So you can just add time. And you can just add time. We close at dot dot dot. Do we need s here after close? No. Since subject is we close at and then time here. It can be PM, it can be AM, it can be midnight. What time do you serve dinner? What time, what time do you serve dinner? Full sentence. Again. Yes, dinner. You have to think about time for dinner. Is it at noon? Is it 2 p.m.? Is it 8 o'clock in the morning? No, even there is no exact time. One restaurant can serve dinner start from 6 p.m. But another restaurant can serve dinner at 5:30 or 6 p.m. So it depends on each restaurant. But it must be something logic. It must be something make sense. You can say any time, but make sure that those duration of time or period of time is for dinner. So again, you, but we answer as we. We repeat the question. We serve dinner at, say, time. Okay? You can also provide from 6 to 8, for example, from 6 to 8 p.m. What days do you open? What days do you open? Days. Ah, these are from Monday to Sunday. Or we open daily except Wednesday, for example. We open on Monday to Friday. Whatever answer, but it must be name of the days, right? We open on Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, you can add more information about the restaurant. Even the question asks you only what what days do you open, but you can add time for them. What time do you serve lunch? What time do you serve lunch? Again, we serve lunch at, yes, okay. It can be 11 o'clock. It can be lunch can, yeah, the suitable time is at 11 to 2 p.m., for example. Repeat all the question. We serve lunch at 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. Up to you. Okay. Easy, right? Do not forget, if you are asked about like one thing, it is okay. It is very fine for you to provide more information. Not just question and answer, question and answer, question and answer. And then another thing right here. This is something that you usually make a mistake. It's about number. Number, normal one and abnormal one. The normal one the normal one is the normal number, like 3, 11, 30, 21, 17. But the abnormal one, the special one, is from 3, we say third. From 11, N with N, ELEVEN. But for the special one, there is TH at the end of the word. 21, but 21st. 17, but 17 with TH. Can you ring the bell of those types of number? We are now talking about cardinal and ordinal number easy มากๆ it's so easy teacher but still you still make mistake and it is a serious one นะ okay as you can see on the left you can see number 1 to number 31 huh? If you see number like this you usually think about cardinal number right 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 but when it is this kind of number 1 to 31 here they are in a calendar isn't it do you know calendar yes okay 12-month calendar so number 1 to number 31 refer to date right so when we talk about date it is not cardinal but it is ordinal number when you were in primary school you were asked by your teacher writing day dates month and year on the board remember that and you have to write something above a side of number like this 1 first 2 second ND 3 third RD 4 fourth TH 10 tenth TH 12 twelfth TH okay and 30 30th TH 20 20th 20th TH okay 21 21st 22 22nd so it is your job it is your duty to remember number as both cardinal and ordinal number and use two of them correctly so let's continue practice the exercise okay back to page 13 page 13 you can see the number there are two digits the first one 3 and the second one is 12 uh-huh 11 9 30 6 21 7 17 1 what are they I'm talking about date and month so which one is date which one is number for date and which one is number for month which one is number for date and which one is number for month okay the first one the first digit is date and the second one is month right good guess since it is impossible for 30 months right there are only 12 there are only 12 and what we are going to do I'll show you how when you see it is in the written form but when we speak out when we pronounce we have to pronounce them correctly okay the first one we'd like to book a table for two on what you can say on you can write the answer first on 3rd do not forget. And December, right? 12 is December. And then number 2, 11, and we need th, and we need th. September, right? What about number 3? Number 3, 30, 3, 0, and what do we need side above? st, th, rd, nd. Yes, we need th. 6, 6, 6 months. Month number 6 is June. Maybe you have to review 12 months, name of 12 months as well. Then number 4. Number 4, 21. But actually for ordinal number, it is not 21, but it is 21st. So that is why we need st. 7th month, number 7 is July. Not Julie, na? July. And number 5, the last one, 17th, th, and January. Do not be lazy. If you work as a hospitality staff, you have to say the full name, นะคะ full name, not Jan, not Sep. Okay? Now, time to repeat, time to pronounce the sentence. When we write the answer, number 3, RD, December. But when we say, we have to say, we like to book a table for 2 on the 3rd of December. The 3rd of December. So we need the and of. The date. Then of month. This is the structure, the correct structure. Okay? Or another way to say month and date. This is date and month. But what about month and date? So you can say month first and followed by date. Look at the yellow one. We like to book a table for 2 on December 3rd. That's it. For this for this way, you do not need to say the and of. You just say December 3rd, September 11, June 30th, July 21st, January 15, like this. So there are 2 ways to say date and month or month and date. Keep this lesson in mind, even it is the basic one, but it is a major mistake. Okay, so that is all for this part. So I hope you to review the expressions used in taking reservation procedure and also some more expressions from the beginning of the lesson till page 13. Okay? And Another video is about our classwork and assignment and our plan for next week. I'll be right back. See you soon.